What's up YouTube? iPadOS 14 is out, which brings a lot of new features to the iPad. Since it's based on iOS 14, most of the features will be the same from iOS. So in this video, we're going to point out the top 5 important features which you guys need to know if you have an iPad. Let's start off with the Scribble feature, which lets you write on any text field using the Apple Pencil, which in turn recognizes what you wrote and convert them into text for the text field you scribbled on. This feature could be useful for taking notes and making events on the calendar and so on. And if the iPad recognizes the text wrong, you could just scribble on the text and it just disappears. Even copying and pasting a text has got much easier. You could just circle around the text which you want to copy and the iPadOS 14 recognizes and selects the text instantly. And with that, you can even dial the numbers you selected or map out the addresses. And this Scribble feature also supports multiple languages like Chinese. Next, the app sidebars. The File app has got new pull-down menus which makes even more easy to organize files or to search one without switching the views. And this even applies to the Photos app too, where you can just easily manage your photos or find one easily. Adding photos to the newly created album is so much easy as you could open up the sidebar and drag and drop the selected photos. Next, the Siri. In the past, Siri was quite dumb and wasn't useful, but now the Siri has got smarter and in compact form than the previous versions. And it doesn't take the whole screen to show up for what you asked. And even the response comes in a rectangular banner style and it's pretty useful nowadays. Next, the search. Previously, the search feature was on the far left side panel of the home screen and wasn't useful that much. Now, it can be accessed on the home screen itself like an overlay. And this search feature has improved to search from your devices and extended to search on the internet too. And they name it the universal search. You can trigger the search by swiping down on the home screen. And finally, the privacy indicator, the most interesting feature across the iOS and iPadOS, which I love the most, which makes us look out for the shady apps which uses our microphone or camera. For instance, if I open up a camera app, a green indicator pops up stating that some app is using your camera. And this feature doesn't leave the Siri. When you ask Siri something, an orange indicator pops up stating that some app is using your microphone. From this, you could figure out what app is using what feature. So for camera, a green indicator pops up. For in case a microphone, an orange indicator pops up. Even you can look into the control center for which app has used it recently. And this wraps my top 5 features of the iPadOS, which I like the most, and I hope you guys got to know about it. And that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Thank you for watching. Do leave a like, comment, and I'll try to answer as much as possible. And subscribe to have more videos like this.